Hello kids, I'm Sharmin Sheila. Today I am going to draw a chicken. I draw a chicken very easy and simple way. A chicken is a farm animal that gives us eggs. It has 2 legs, 2 wings, and lots of soft feathers. Chicken says cluck cluck and love to peck the ground for food. They eat grains, worms, and tiny bugs. A baby chicken is called a chick. Kids, do you draw with me? Please let's draw together. Kids, do you enjoying my video? Please subscribe my channel. Wow, so many colors. This is orange color. Chickens live in a place called a coop, and farmers take care of them. They help people by giving eggs and meat. This is yellow color. This is red color. Wow, looks like a real chicken. That's good. Bye bye.